Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to discuss how to spot clean the vachetta leather on your pre-owned, pre-loved Louis Vuitton bags. So when I bought this bag, here you can see on the right side, it's very soiled. It has a lot of like dark stains, and we're going to attempt to get some of this off of the leather. And I already tried doing that on this left side, and you can see these used to be the same kind of dark coloring, and you can see already on the left side it's already removing some of the black dirt stains that were on the vachetta leather. So here again is the untreated one. You can see it's, try to get closer for you to see the dark staining, and then on the left side we're starting to clean that all out here. And so what I'm using to clean the vachetta leather is the Magic Erasers by Mr. Clean, and if you haven't used it before, it comes like, it looks like a sponge. It's very soft, and you wet this entirely with some warm water and you wring it out so there's no water coming out, but it's still a little damp to the touch. So what you're going to do is you're going to get in here and just lightly clean off and spot treat as much as possible the dirt part of the vachetta. Just going to go in here. And now this is not going to harm your vachetta leather because really it's just water and the soft Magic Eraser sponge. So it's just going to gently spot clean it. So, and it's going to change the color because it's wet, but don't worry about that because it's going to dry the natural, and dry again looking like this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and spot treat this, and then I will show you in the next video how it looks after I finish.